Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to tighten the knees of the Blythe doll. It's really easy to do, so just follow step by step as I'm doing. You will need to drill. As you can see, I opened the joint for the Blythe doll knee. I made a little incision with my drill, and now I'm going to use 4mm, really small screw. I will tighten the screw all the way until it's almost not visible. Don't press too much on the rest of the leg, because you can break any remaining joints, so be very careful with it. So screw until you almost don't see the head of the screw, and when you finish you will need to insert this leg inside of the hot water just for this few seconds. So both parts, top and bottom part, goes inside. I'm going to repeat the same step again for the second leg. So as I mentioned before, release the joint and then make the incision with the drill big enough to insert the screw, and then tighten the screw all the way to the end and insert this, what we just done, into hot water. When you place in the hot water, what happens with the plastic is it gets a bit swollen, and that will tighten the knees. As you probably know, that Blythe doll knees are really loose and they don't stand without the support. This might help you to have a bit more support, and you will notice the difference straight away. So I am finishing. I'm going to place now the second leg into hot water just to leave it for a couple of minutes, and you're ready to go. So let me see if I can find the doll to show you how to place it back. It's easy to do. So as soon as you take out of the water, just insert the joints the same way as they were, and straight away you will feel the difference. It will be much tighter than before this process is done. So so here I'm leaving the second leg for a bit longer, and I'm looking for the doll so I actually can add the entire leg to the doll's body. So now the second leg is finished. I'm gonna just click the joint together, and then it's really simple, and as soon as it's done I can then place the entire leg back to the doll's body. So you only need to do this procedure once. If it's really too tight, you can just wiggle a little bit, and that will ensure that the legs are tightened and not that loose as what they were when they came from fabric. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for now. Bye.